Hey, I'm Wendy from NewChurch. Sometimes I feel really stressed, overwhelmed, like life is just a bunch of never-ending demands and details. Work, kids, homework. What about time for me? It's exhausting. I know I'm not alone, but there's hope if we know where to look. Jesus invites everyone who's carrying all this heaviness to come to him, and he'll give them rest. Rest? What would that be like? We're going to explore this over the next few weeks at NewChurch. We meet at 10 a.m. on Sunday mornings on the corner of Cinco Ranch and Gaston Road, inside Kilpatrick Elementary. We'd love to see you there. Click the link to find out more.